So many times with these luggage straps, these Ratchet luggage straps, you find that you can't release them. You've got them really nice and tight on the luggage, but you move this release button and it just won't release. Straight away, looking at this, you can see that it's been tightened wrongly. Look at how much of the strap is around the center. See, it's really tight against there, and that doesn't need to happen. That's the problem. There's too much strap, and it wasn't designed to roll that much around the core. So let me just show you how you should tighten the strap in the first place. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've attached one end to the door handle and the other end to my sack barrow handle. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that the strap goes past, the long strap goes past the handle and then back on itself through the hole. Okay, now what a lot of people would do now is start cranking. Okay, that's absolutely the wrong thing to do. What you want to do is take up all the slack you possibly can just by pulling the loose end through as much as it will go. So now I've got this semi-tight by pulling the loose end through. Okay, now obviously I'm trying to do this one-handed. This is when you start to crank your handle. Okay, yeah, and you should really only need a few turns to get it really tight. Okay, that's it, tight. And see how little fabric or strap there is. There's loads of space there at the back. It's not jammed full with strap, and that's all you need to do. And when you release it, you can actually just do that with your thumb, open it up, and then you should be able to pull on the tensioned strap when it's fully open and pull, and that's release it. It really is simple as that. So we'll do that again. I'm going to pull the strap, the loose end, through as much as possible, and then I'm going to, you just need to release that to get it to close the first time, and then crank to its tightest. See, there's hardly any fabric, any strap going around the core. And now I want to release it, so I push that, open it right back to its fullest, widest position, and pull hard on the tensed piece of strap, and there it goes, it's loose. Simple. We actually use these straps not for luggage but as guy lines on our gazebo, and they work really well for that. So hope that helps, and hope it stops you catching your fingers and getting cuts, getting them caught inside these, because once you really know how to use them, there should be no problem. Okay, good luck. Thought I'd show you this heavier duty ratchet strap. It's quite a beast of a strap, but this one, there is no loose end. The loose end, or the end that would be loose, is actually fixed inside the core, and you've got a hook, a small strap with a hook, and a long strap with a hook. And this larger diameter is designed to take the whole length of the strap wound around, and I'll just show you that in a second. So there we go, that's the strap completely wound round and very little gap showing, and that's the way this one is designed, to take the whole strap around the core. And I'll show you now the strap in use. So this demonstration, I haven't got any luggage on a roof rack of a car or on a trailer, so what I've done is I've just rigged it up on my rafter, and I'm going to basically do this and pull up the container, the gas container. Trying to do it one-handed, of course, as usual, and that has put a strain on that. And with the other type of strap, we pressed the release and we completely opened the handle back. But with this different one, all you have to do is press the red release button, and there's a definite release, and that's the strap able to be pulled loose, and it's quite a effective spring system inside there. So again, hope that helps. Some straps are a bit different, but the idea is similar. Okay, bye for now.